Sun. It is a large yellow hot burning ball that the Earth, other planets, satellites and asteroids revolve around. It is a main source of heat and light for our world. Sun is a star. Yes, it is the same as the white twinkling light you see at night. If so, why is sun not white? Sun is white in color. It looks yellow because when the sunlight enters Earth, it gets scattered into different colors and we see it as yellow. If you go to Mars, you will see it as red. If the sun is a star, why is it so big? The reason is the distance. Sun is the closest star to the Earth. It is just 150 million kilometers away. It might look like a long distance, but comparing it to Proxima Centauri, the next closest star to the Earth, it is 24 trillion kilometers away. Since Sun is very close to Earth, it looks big. If Sun is a star, why is it circle in shape instead of the iconic star shape? All the stars, including the Sun, are circle in shape. The iconic star shapes comes from how we see the stars from Earth. Since the star twinkles, the light glare makes it look eye-sided shape. You all know that the Earth rotates and revolves around the Sun. And do you know that the Sun also rotates? The Sun rotates at a very low speed. Earth takes around 24 hours to make one rotation. We call it one day. But Sun takes 24.47 days to complete one rotation at its center points and around 38 days to complete one rotation at its pole.
Created using Powtoon.